We're back for part 2 of the luxury Microduct fiber install. In part 2, we're going to be working on getting the actual fiber installed into the Microduct. Let's go ahead and get started. So the best way I found for tying a little small pull string like this onto some small fiber, I'll take it once, wrap it around, put a little slip knot on it right there, let it bite in real good, and then I'll take another, loop it on there, and I always make sure I have at least 2 of them. But I space them apart just a little bit, just like that. And then you tape. And I always make sure I leave a nice long tail off that first little knot that we did. That way if it starts to slip or pull, it's not gonna pull all the way off the fiber. There you go. Nice and smooth. Now we're tied on, got our slack pulled out of the box, and let's go pull on the other end. And here's where I ended up ending the day. I didn't have a full day here because I had a few trouble calls to run in the morning, but that ended up being a pretty solid day.